Chapter 10 My Selfie Learning Objectives 1. Talking about different devices that click pictures. 2. Understanding the importance of self-love. I tried to take a selfie when I was all alone, and I have done it when the evening's done. I guess I'm not pretty. I think I am prettiest. I snapped one with my laptop and saved it on a computer. I clicked with my father's camera, my mother's iPad tool. This is no difficult. I know it how to do. At last, I got few selfies, perhaps the best ones yet. I posted them online today. It broke the internet. Find meaning. Internet and electronic communication. Clicked to make a short, sharp sound. Saved to keep somebody safe. Selfies. A photograph that one has taken of oneself. Difficult, not easy to understand. Pretty, attractive. Exercise time. Answer the following question. A. What did the poet try to take? Answer. The poet tried to take a selfie. B. When did the poet take a selfie? Answer. The poet took a selfie when he was all alone. C. What did he do with his selfies? Answer. He posted his selfies on the internet. D. Did the poet succeed to get a selfie? Answer. Yes, the poet succeeded to get a selfie. E. Have you ever taken a selfie? Answer. Yes, I have taken a lot of selfies. Find their meanings. A. Internet and electronic communication. B. Difficult, not easy to understand. C. iPad, a brand name for a tablet. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. I snapped one with my laptop and saved it on the computer. B. At last I got few selfies, perhaps the best one yet. Tick the right options. A. In the poem, the dash tried to take a selfie. 1. Puppy. 2. Poet. 3. Parrot. 2. Poet. B. The poet took a selfie when he was parents. 2. Friends. 3. All alone. C. In the poem, the poet thought himself to be 1. Wiser. 2. Prettier. 3. Thinner. 2. Prettier. Match the following: laptop, camera, iPad. Let's enjoy the poem. Create your own family selfie in the box below and write a catchy title for your family. Writing skill. Write 2 sentences to describe each picture. 1. Computer. 2. iPad. Reading skill. Read these sentences and answer the questions. 1. I guess I'm not pretty. I thought I was prettier. 1. Who is I in the above lines? Who said these words? Answer. I refers to the poet. The poet said these above words. 2. What did the speaker guess? Answer. The speaker guessed that he is not pretty. 3. What did the speaker think to be? Answer. The speaker thought to be prettier. 2. At last I got few selfies, perhaps the best ones yet. 1. Who got a selfie? Answer. The poet got a selfie. 2. How was the selfie? Answer. The selfie was the best one yet. 3. Is the speaker happy with his selfie? Answer. Yes, the speaker was happy with his selfie.